Obo na ibu somebody jolly jeku hustling by Ibo Okada or Ibo Keke. Consider Liberia as first. Water. Before we abasari nya keke, and nya Okada. Consider obodo Liberia first. Now West Africa. So every name. Like for example, Burkina Faso now. Ara Okada there. Je Okada na Burkina Faso. Or keke. Ola walk there. Football no. Eba na onye na Okada na Burkina Faso. So but Liberia ya na anya keke. Na agba Okada. So just can you update based on for ụmụnne m ndị nke na-achọ ebe fa ya eje kolo onwe fa normal small hustle water so that everybody get made a mistake water so every ụmụnne m kọdụ